JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 16. Ichibang. Te form usage to connect verb sentences. When two or more actions occur in succession, use the te form to list them in order. The tense is determined by the last verb in the sentence. Examples. Asa jogengo shite, shawa o abite, kaysha ikimasu. In the morning, I jog, take a shower, and go to the office. Kobe e ete, ega o mete, ocha o nomimashita. I went to Kobe, saw a movie, and drank tea. Nibang. Connecting e-adjectives. Usage. To join an e-adjective sentence to another sentence, remove the e from the adjective and attach kote. Examples. Uki, okikute, big. Chisai, chisakote, small. Exception. I, yukote, good. Sentences. Mira-san wa wakakote genki desu. Mr. Miller is young and lively. Kenu wa tenki ga yukote atsukata desu. Yesterday it was fine and hot. Sangbang. Connecting na adjectives or noun sentences. Usage. When joining noun sentences or na adjective sentences, change des to de. Examples. Karina-san wa Indonesia jinde Kyoto de gakko no ryugakusei desu. Miss Karina is Indonesian and a student at Kyoto University. Mira-san wa handsamo de shinsetsu desu. Mr. Miller is handsome and kind. Nara wa shizuka de kirei ni machi desu. Nara is a quiet and beautiful city. Notes. These structures can connect sentences and different topics. Examples. Karina-san wa gakusei de Maria-san wa shofo desu. Miss Karina is a student and Miss Maria is a housewife. Cannot connect contradictory sentences. Use this ga for this. Examples. Kono hiya wa shimakote kirei desu. This room is small but clean. Kono hiya wa shimai desu ga kirei desu. This room is small but clean. Yobang. Verb te form kara verb to. Usage. Indicates that upon completion of the action denoted by verb 1, the action of verb 2 is to be conducted. The tense is determined by the last verb in the sentence. Examples. Kone e kaite kara chichi no kaisha de hatarakimasu. I will work for my father's company after going back to my country. Konsato ga uwate kara ristoran de shokuji shimashita. We ate at a restaurant after the concert was over. Note, the subject of a subordinate clause is indicated by ga as shown in the example sentence 10. Gobang. Noun 1 wa, noun 2 ga, adjective. Usage. Describes an attribute of a thing or a person. The topic of the sentence is denoted by wa. Noun 1 is the topic of the sentence. Noun 2 is the subject of the adjective's description. Examples. Osaka wa tabimono ga uishi desu. Food is tasty in Osaka. Doitsu no Franken wa wine ga yumei desu. Franken in Germany produces famous wine. Maria-san wa kami ga nagai desu. Maria has long hair. Rokubang. Doyatte. Usage. Used to ask the way or the method of doing something. To answer such a question, use the pattern learned in section 1 te form. Example. Daigaku made do yatte ikimasu ka? How do you go to your university? Kyoto eke kara 16番のバスに乗って大学までおります. I take a number 16 bus from Kyoto Station and get off at Daigaku Mae. Nanabang. Dono, noun. Usage. The interrogative word dono is used to ask the listener to define one among more than two which are concretely presented. It modifies nouns. Examples. Santos-san wa dono hito desu ka? Which one is Mr. Santos? Ano, siga takakote. Kami ga koroi hito desu. That tall man with black hair is. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!